welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. So today's video is a very exciting video. I honestly cannot believe this is happening right now. I have entered the NYX Faceawards, and you guys, I came out top 20. I am one of the top 20 finalists, and I cannot believe that this is happening right now. So if you guys want to see how I unbox the goodies that NYX has sent me, then please keep on watching. So today when I woke up, I got an email from NYX stating that I'm going to be receiving a package and also the theme for the next round, and I am so excited. I am so amped up for the next round. I cannot tell you guys how excited I am. So I waited the whole day to get this package, and you guys, it's sitting right here before me. I just took out my personal details from it so you guys cannot see, but anyway, this is the package with the bubble wrap already on it. I didn't do anything else except take out the top page, and you guys, it's so heavy, so I'm so excited. So they have given us all of the goodies in this box for the second round, which is called Proud Soul, and that is basically the theme. And let's see what's on the inside. Okay guys, so this is the box. It is so big and so heavy. You guys, I'm like kind of out of breath because that's how heavy it is. But I'm so excited. Like, I literally cannot hold the smile. This is ridiculous. I cannot believe this is happening. Okay, so anyway, it says Faceawards round 2 Proud Soul, which is the theme of the next round. Hashtag Faceawards SA at NYX COSMETICS SA. So just slid off this paper. So I'm just opening the box. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these goodies. So excited, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am so shocked at the amount of products that is in this box. Like, I'm so excited, you guys. This is the most exciting thing for a makeup artist. Honestly, this is crazy. Okay, so first up, I'm just gonna grab this big bad boy right here, and I think this is a makeup. I think this is a cute bag for your makeup. If I'm not mistaken, it probably is brushes. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. NYX Professional Makeup with a beautiful cover. It feels so luxurious. Oh, okay. So it's kind of right. This is the type of bag that you would need as a makeup artist because it is going to tie around your waist, and it makes it so handy. I wanted this for like the longest time ever. And here's the little strap at the back so it goes around your waist. Thank you, NYX Cosmetics. So the next product that I'm going to show you guys, okay, is the NYX Professional Whipped Charcoal Cleanser. So this, I believe, is a black charcoal cleanser. I do have a black charcoal mask, so this will go so well with it. It will, I really want to try this out and test it out on my skin. Next, I have a NYX Professional Makeup Be Gone Makeup Remover Wipes. A girl cannot do without this. Okay, so this is a cute pack that I will probably use a lot. Makeup remover wipes, 100%. So I have 4 different lash styles. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, so I am so excited, guys. Please just mind me being a fangirl right now and a total crazy makeup junkie. Okay, so the styles of the lashes are basically the numbers at the top. So this particular brand style is called Wicked Lashes. So these are the lash styles that I have, and each one is absolutely beautiful. As you can see as I hold it side by side, each one is very unique, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to like play around with this makeup. You guys don't even know. You guys, I've been seeing this online for so long and I have so many. Oh my god. Look how many liquid liners in every color, literally. So I have the Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner in the color Vivid Violet, Vivid Fire. This is kind of like a tongue twister. Vivid Fire, Vivid Delight, Vivid Envy, Vivid Sapphire, Vivid Petal, and Vivid Blossom. Such stunning colors. Okay, so next up I have the NYX pigments, and I have quite a few of these. These NYX pigments are absolutely stunning. I've seen so many tutorials online showing how beautiful and toned and really rich these colors pay off. So I have a few. They have given me quite a few. Wow, there's so many I cannot even hold it in like two hands. About 13 shades here. Okay, you guys, I am so overwhelmed right now. I do not know how to gather my thoughts right now. I am just like starstruck. So next I got these 6 NYX micro brow pencils, and I have every shade. I have the shade Brunette, Chocolate, Espresso, Blonde, Taupe, and Black. So this is definitely brows on fleek, you guys. Okay, then I have the NYX matte liquid eyeliner. I really want to try this out. This looks very thin, so you can get that perfect wing cat eyeliner. Okay, then I have the NYX First Base primer spray. Apparently this is very good, especially for SFX makeup, and yeah, I really want to try this out. You guys, this brings back so much of memories. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and this brings up so much of memories for me. My first time in the Sephora store, and I saw this little guy right there, and I was like, definitely, at that time I had so less money, so grabbing a NYX product was definitely the way to go. And it honestly got finished so fast because I loved it and I used it all the time. At that time NYX was not even in South Africa, so I actually got it at Malaysia, which was a cool story. And then we have the NYX Dewy Finish for those summer days and those glowy makeup tutorials. Ooh, this is cool. This is the NYX On The Spot Makeup Brush Cleaner, and yes, I'm so looking forward to using this. I am beyond words with this. You guys, look what I have in my hands. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. You guys, I've been watching so many tutorials of makeup artists and all of these people doing so much of beautiful makeup tutorials with this foundation, and you know, it sucked a bit because at the time I couldn't afford to just go out and buy a foundation, and I was like, okay, I will wait for the perfect time and then just go and buy a whole lot of products, and this foundation was one of them. And thank you, NYX. Thank you. So many products here, I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh wow, I'm so excited. I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh. So I have the NYX Professional Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette. Ooh, this is something that I would normally grab very often. I would want to just dig into these colors so much. And it looks so creamy. Just by looking at it, I can tell you how creamy and pigmented and beautiful it really looks. Looks like chocolate. Okay, so yeah, that's a makeup junkie for you, going crazy over palettes. Ooh, this is beautiful. The NYX Born to Glow palette. Wow, the colors look amazing. Oh, I'm going crazy. I've always wanted a pink highlight, and I think this is the perfect one that I can honestly see that looks like a natural pink highlight. You know, you get those highlights that are too pink, and then you can kind of see that people use like eyeshadow on their cheeks. I'm just blown away. I cannot believe this is my life right now. Then we have this stunner, and this is the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette. You guys, I mean, seriously, look at the colors. You guys, it feels like my birthday or something. The next palette I have is the NYX Color Correcting Concealer Palette, and it is this small palette right here. So next up I have Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder, and I have 5 different shades. Next I have the NYX eyeshadow base in the color white. Honestly, I haven't used an eyeshadow base, I think, ever. I've always used concealer. So this will be my first time trying out an eyeshadow base. I know that's kind of weird since I'm a makeup artist and I'm bound to use an eyeshadow base, but I've always enjoyed concealer, so I'm really excited to have my first time be with NYX. Thanks, NYX. So this is like the queen of this box, and this is the NYX Swear By It palette. So this is a mix between mattes and shimmers, and it has a mix of like bright colors, nudes, darks, blues, warm tones, cool tones, all kinds of shades in this one palette. So you're pretty much getting the entire rainbow, the nudes, the darks, everything. You're getting a whole storm, a whole weather pattern up in here. Okay, so this is the palette that you really want to get your hands on. The name, of course, already sums everything up. So there is 40 shadows in this palette. Yeah, 40. Yeah, I just want to hold it a little bit longer. Okay, so the next thing I have in my hand is the NYX SFX Cream Color Face and Body Paint. So I have 5 different shades of these body paints, and I have it in the color fuchsia, in the color red, in the color silver, in the color gold, and in the color blue. So all of them are really pigmented. As you guys can see, it is very pigmented and very, very big. So these are quite big pans of paint that we can use in our next round. Next up, I have the NYX SFX Set Loose Setting Powder. Okay, so this is apparently a very good product, especially with SFX makeup. I watched a video where a girl said that this was what made her SFX makeup stay on throughout the entire day, and it's definitely the way to go. Okay, so the next thing is the NYX Liquid Suede. Oh, what is this? Okay, so the next thing I have is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Alien, and I have no idea what shade it is. It's black. Okay, so you guys, this is actually a liquid lip suede in the color black. So the color Alien obviously gives it away. Whoa. Look at that color. So I have the NYX Suede Matte Lipsticks in 5 different shades. There's Spicy, Rosé the Day, Ace, Clinger, and Peach Don't Kill My Vibe. Okay, so these are very sassy colors. And let's just open one so you guys can check it out real quick. Wow, look at the shade, guys. So it does look very matte, and there is a lot of product in each bullet. Okay, so next up I got the NYX Soft Cream Lip Cream. I got this in 8 different shades. Okay, and last but not least, I got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer, and I got it in 4 different shades. These are the 4 different shades. And yeah, these are the 4 concealers that I cannot wait to try. I have the shades Mocha, Pale, Neutral, Buff, and Natural. So these are the 4 beautiful shades that I have, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use it. So that is all of the products that I have received in this huge box by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm so excited for round 2. It is definitely going to be such an experience and such a fun just self-discovery as I go through this process and this journey as well. I honestly cannot believe that I made it to the top 20. It is such a honor to be recognized with such amazing makeup artists alongside me. And to NYX Cosmetics, I really want to thank you for giving me this opportunity. To all of the judges, to each and every one of you, I want to say thank you for looking at our talents and seeing something in us. This honestly means so much, and just like every other artist that is excited to receive this goodie bag, I wish every one of you a very exciting journey as well. May you all have fun, and to all the viewers, I hope you guys are encouraged, and I hope you all stay positive, enjoy this process as much as we are enjoying it. So proud soul, here we come. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and follow my journey on the NYX Face Awards, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Guys, I've been looking at this box for some time now, and I just want to say that before I go, I just want to encourage every single one of you that's watching this video. If you entered the competition and you didn't make it through, don't be hard on yourself. There's always next year. Who knows, we probably also might fall out in the next rounds, and it's okay. It's always the best thing to try, and even if you fail, you know you tried, and keep trying until you know one day you possibly might win it. If you guys would really like to try something out like this, then I encourage every single one of you to try, because you never know, you might possibly be the next one that's heading to top 20 and top 12, and who knows, even the winner. So definitely don't be hard on yourself. If you didn't make it through this year, there's always the years ahead. Okay, so yeah, just want to leave you guys with that thought, and I'm out for real this time.